So, how about you? How are you, sir? Your voice is not coming. Voice is not.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah. Now is it's okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
please tell me about yourself. A brief introduction.
Okay. I am Ramesh. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am working as a HR, assistant manager HR in a private concern. I live in Coimbatore.
You live in Kauai.
Coimbatore. Coimbatore.
Okay. There is a place in Tamil Nadu.
Yes. It is in Tamil
Okay.
district, Tamil Nadu district. In
Okay.
Tamil Nadu state, it's district.
Okay.
What about you, ma'am?
I love to introduce myself as you know that my name is Monica. And I am from Madhya Pradesh, the Gwalior district. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors with English and SST. And I am assistant teacher in a private institution. And I am teaching there English subject as the senior classes. And I have been teaching like 2010. This is the biggest journey for me. And I would say I am very curious person to learn things, new things, and exploring myself more and more. And I am a content creator also on my YouTube channel. As I talk about my YouTube channel, I started 6 months ago. I started this channel and I'm uploading my videos on regularly on the different kind of content or solo videos are there. You can see on my channel, and that's all about me. Thanks for asking.
Actually, I want to know how did you learn English?
Okay, how I learn English, right? So
Yes.
English is my subject also. So since childhood and when I was in the 10th standard, I was very eager to know about this language, right? Whenever I saw my friends or my elders, they are very good at this language or in this subject also. So I was curious every time that I would be a good learner or good spoken in this language, and I have to master on over this language. So then in my intermediate classes I was not good at this language, but gradually I took some coachings, English coachings, and when at that time I was only for the intermediate, so I didn't get so much explore everything is communication skills. What is this? What is the YouTube? I don't know. I am not aware. I was not aware bit, but gradually as I got matured, I wanted to know everything. What is the YouTube channel and what is the applications around us? No, at that time I didn't have actually Android also. So since 2010 I started my teaching journey also. At that time I taught in a private school or a playgroup school, and for my experience, besides as well as my studies also, my study was also going on smoothly, and I wanted to get some experience in teaching field because I was very curious to teach children, different kind of children. So my mother told me that you should join some private school and you get good benefit for this also, because you are a very passionate learner, or you are very fond of like teach to different kind of students, so you should also join some private school. So at that time I joined my school nearby my house. So 1 or 2 years I taught there. And my experience was amazing on with my co-learners, with my teachers. So after in 2014 I started teaching in the intermediate school. At that time I was not able to focus my communication skills, because at that time I was learning different kind of things in the group of different kind of teachers or educators with me, who were elders, who were older than me or senior than me to me. So this is the journey of my teaching. But in 2025 I started my own channel, and I am focusing till presently, and I am enhancing my communication skills more and more with the different co-learners. I would like to take sessions every day, and I am uploading my videos, and I usually upload my videos on my channel. And this is my journey. But on the other hand, we can say, whenever I get time before after my working, after finishing my like institute working or my chores, household chores, so I would like to make my solo videos, like a vocabulary part. I love to vocabulary a lot. Firstly, I love to vocabulary a lot, because as you are as you are started to conversation or confabulation to each other or interaction, so your vocabulary power should be strong,
Yes.
because different kind of words becomes like a चार चांद लगाना बातों में. जैसे आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, और if your vocabulary are fabulous, so you are a sophisticated person, not a very it works like a ornament on your conversation or confabulation. So this is the journey for me of English.
How long have you been learning English?
How
Years
long
of years.
have you been
How
learning
long have you been learning English?
English? Okay. Now, English on the communication skills, if I talk about, I am learning right now. I had been since October 2025. I started this channel, and since 2025, or in the month of October, I started to learn more and more on this platform also. And before that, I cracked two or three government exams also. That's why I was not got into so much in this language, or over YouTube, like all these things. I was not interested, I would say. But after getting cracking three exams, I think two exams I cracked off like a PGT post, because I wanted to go through government job. But government job is seeking
Job is very
not
tough.
very
Very
easy.
tough.
It is too
It's
difficult.
very
It
much
is
tough.
too difficult, I
Yes.
must say. Because if you have a motto on your life, so this is very difficult to
Crack
consistency. First of all,
the
consistency is very important in your learning journey or your study, as well. If you are preparing any government exam, so you are very punctual. You have to a early riser, not a night owl. We have to get
yes, yes.
early, like 4 o'clock, 4 a.m.
Clock
Like, and you have to study 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours daily on the regular.
hours
But
daily for
all the,
two
yeah,
through 2 to 3 years. We have to learn for to crack the exam.
yes.
That is
So,
very much important. Actually, I also tried. I also tried once, but in a month I got. I came to know that we need to work a lot. We need to study a lot. So I
study a
quit
lot.
because yes, yes,
From which
because
stream you
because
belong, sir? From which stream? Arts or science?
arts,
Arts. Okay.
arts.
Which is your favorite subject?
So I also tried once. My favorite subject. I don't have any favorite subject. I just passed all the subjects. I just got passed marks.
All the subjects.
I'm not familiar with any subject. Yes, yes. I'm not
Okay,
because
you have done BSc,
I
right?
was I
Um,
have completed MBA in HR, masters in HR.
okay, 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 okay. In the IT field, right?
No, I'm not working in IT field. I am working in service sector. I'm
Okay,
working for service sector. Yes, yes.
okay, okay. So, how do you get into this language or on your this platform? Have you any interest on
Actually,
English?
yes, actually,
English.
I have to learn English lot. Actually, uh, frankly speaking, if anyone speaks any English like a native language, even they can earn 1 lakh in their hometown for sure. In
Okay.
Coimbatore itself, if anyone speaks English like native speaker, they will earn 1 lakh. But with this language, we can do a lot. So I I try to learn this English. So I
And
am
I
keep
heard
on learning
about
now.
that South Indian people have good command over this language. Is this true?
Yes, 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 true, true.
Because I
Because
I have been teaching a missionary school that is all the teachers are Christians. All the teachers are Christians, and father is the principal. So
yes, yes, yes,
he's too good in English, and I am very impressed. Sorry, his English, and teachers are also very fluent in my institute. That's why I am also enhancing my English speaking good and go more and more so that I will be there on that position.
yes, yes. Actually, you will definitely achieve. You will definitely achieve, no doubt about it. Because you are keep on learning the English language, you will definitely achieve.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if we try, we if consistency is very much important.
Yes,
If
yes.
you try, if you follow that, you will speak fluent. In a
Before your
we can't.
session, I completed my session. He is also from Tamil Nadu. He is also from
Yes,
Tamil
yes,
Nadu, same. And
yes,
he is
yes,
also very good speaker. And his YouTube channel is completely labs, and he's restart again. So, like, he is also belongs to Tamil Nadu. So,
yes, yes,
English from South Indians, so their English is very good. I know very well.
yes. Actually, we have a lot of Christian school here. So lot of principals, as you told, lot of principals and teachers are from Christianity. So Christian people speaks English very well because Bible is in English.
Bible
So
is
they will teach very well. Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
only
Bible is,
Bible is totally in English.
yes, actually not totally in English. Bibles are in different language, but commonly they will learn in English.
Okay. Since
Some of them only learn in their own language because as a principal and as a sisters, they have to travel lot. They have to visit some other districts, states. So they have to learn English to speak with everyone in any
yeah,
state.
sisters are very good at English because I
Yes, yes,
know
yes, yes,
in 2014 I taught in a missionary school, St. Paul's Inter College, which is in UP. So there were very long staff is there was there, 35 or 40 teachers are there. Yeah, so and their sisters also very good at language at this language because actually their accent belongs to South. All all the principals are also their South accent. So they when they were speaking with us, so their language uh, a bit different,
they don't stumble. They
like
don't
English.
stumble, and the accent is also different.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they are speaking continuously
They were
to
not lacking
everyone.
or they are not fumble and not at all. Their English is amazing and fabulous, I would say.
Yes, 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 yes. They
Yes.
speak English very well.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
because they are speaking from their childhood. Because becoming a sister or father, they have to, they will join in some childhood. So from childhood itself, they are speaking in English.
Yeah, this
So
is
they will automatically speak in English.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, and also they use super accent,
But
which
in
fascinated
India,
us, I guess.
yeah, if we talk about Indians, so they have to take classes, different kind of spoken courses. I think spoken courses are not so good for us, because if we have like passion to learn this language, we should learn this language automatically itself, na? By practicing, by consistency. Because if we take any kind of course like 4 months or 6 months, so when it completes, so we should come on the practice point. We should practice daily or regularly, so we can enhancing fluent in this language, right?
What type of learning do you use to improve your communication skill? In
Communication.
initially, what did you how did you learn? What type of learn did you use?
Okay. Initially, if I talk about like a beginner, they should learn English. Uh, but they cannot bait the perfection. They only focus the progress of over this language. How could they learn every day? Every 60 minutes, or I think 60 minutes are very important. Take out from your busy schedule for the practicing. And if I talk about my journey, so I told you that my English journey is started between breaks, sometime 2 or 3 years breaks. Again, I started in 2025. So I realized that speaking or communication is very necessary in your field, in your if you want to become a professional, so you should go through like a professional English. You have to learn something, particular things, some particular topics you have to remember. And on the if initially stage, is there anyone wants to start their journey, and first of all, simple vocabulary, simple topics, and simple word power you have to learn on the daily basis. And after 1 week, you should revise, you should take revision of these things. Otherwise, you forget everything. You forget everything, because this is my personal experience. I'm telling you that at that time in 2025, I was preparing a government exam where language portion is too difficult to tackle. Every paper, every like a test paper or test series, there are a lot of test series which I have completed, like within a 60 minute, yeah, within a any approximate minute are there. So language part is too difficult, like a grammar part, na? And we have to learn vocabulary every day. 10 vocabulary sentence, sorry, 10 vocabulary words we have to learn regularly. And whenever teachers, teachers or educator teaching us, they were teaching us online. So we have to remember each and every phrase, each and every substitution, each and every antonyms, synonyms. All the vocabulary part is very scarcely this is a bit difficult for the beginners, because if initially stage you are learning, so you have to start from the simple things, right? Simple things.
Yes.
You not to worry about the advanced level vocabulary, no. If you are good at basic things, and so gradually and by you can start from advanced level. But initially stage you are beginner, so you should start from simple things, right?
Yes, yes. Because uh, in my department, I am also doing the same work. My VP also doing same work, but salary is very different. So in this case, the difference is only language. He speaks like a native speaker. but I don't speak that much. I'm not good at that much. So I am practicing my English, but I don't know how to actually uh, spending time for learning English is difficult. But uh, finding a way to learn English is much more difficult. So lot of confusion, I started speaking. That's all. I watched lot of YouTube videos. Everyone said that don't learn anything if you are a beginner. Just start to speak with
Right.
everyone. By that you can learn from others also. Uh, then you learn. Don't learn and speak. Speak and learn. That is motto to learn English.
Right.
So that today only I followed. From today only I am doing following that. I started
Yes.
speaking in English. Then I will learn English. That's all.
Because learning by doing, it is the formula.
Yes.
When I read in CTET examination, this is also a exam like related to teaching field, for the teachers. It is essential till now. So there is a one policy for the children or for the adult also. We have to learning by doing. यदि हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे और किसी चीज को पर्टिकुलर हमने करके नहीं देखा, सो वी कैन नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग. We have to be bilingual.
Yes.
Many time we have to bilingual Hindi and English. We have to teach the students in both language, because they are not comfortable, they are not a foreigner, so they can easily understand my language. Okay, and if I talk about like institutions, so in every institution there is a bilingual language. Whether it is like DPS, like any other school, if I talk about Bangladesh schools are there, GD Goenka schools are is there, but since a childhood, if our children are good at this language, but we are not we cannot learn every each and every word like rote memorizing the things. You should learn these things, why hook or why crook. Not. We have to actually take some patience for the children. Regarding, if I talk about, children are very delicate, their mind is not developed yet, actually.
Yes.
Slowly
Yes.
and gradually they are learning by their own pace and pause. So this is the policy for the children. And if I talk about like grammar rules, so we cannot memorizing them grammar rules every time. What is the present tense, what is the past tense, past continuous tense? No, we should focus only there to make the small small sentences, like not deductive method. We have to use inductive method. We have to use inductive method for teach them, so that they can easily learn, they can easily understand what is the teacher saying, what is the teacher telling us, na? So,
Yes.
being a
Yes.
teacher, I would say that inductive method is so good for the children, and it is not memorize the things. It only it says that if you write down any sentence, for example, this is a ball. So, children are also following you. Ma'am is saying that this is a ball. So there is a is. So we are not focusing that this is the present tense, indication of present tense. Yeah, whenever some small knowledge we have to transfer the children, that this is the
Yes.
present
Yes.
tense and is RM is used in the present tense. That's it. Not every time we are not memorizing the grammar rules. How can 6 years old boy, my son is 6 years old, and every time I am teaching, I teach him usually like noun, pronoun, but real life examples you should given. If you are giving them real life examples, so they are understand rapidly. They can understand rapidly, and their catching
Yes.
power
Yes.
is so good. So grammar
Yes.
rules
Yes.
are not good
Because
for them. Only basic knowledge is enough for them.
yes. Yes. But initially, as a beginner, what did you learn first?
As a beginner, what did you learn?
Did
Okay.
you learn first?
Okay. So as Because, but first of all, I would say that I am not beginner at this time. I would say I am a
Not this time.
very,
I'm not asking about at present. I am asking about before 3 years or 4 years. You started your journey, right?
okay,
So
okay.
I am asking about that.
Okay, okay, okay. So when I in 2019, I started to learn this language, not properly. At that time, after getting married in 2018, I didn't get so much time because I actually every time I engaged my work and all the things like home, household chores. So that's why it quite difficult for me for take out some time. But slowly and when I started to teach in a private school in MP, so all the things and all the atmosphere is very new for me. Because I am basically from UP, so that is why there everything is new for me in MP. So I searched a lot of schools, private schools there. Then I joined one school, and it is nearby my house also. And there is not get I was not to get good opportunity for the communication skills, because there is no fluency between the teachers, among the teachers, because they are also learner, they are also learning this language, right? So whenever I got chance in YouTube, so I watched some podcast, some English movie, English songs. I listened every time. Whenever I get time, I want to listen some music, English music. So this is also enhancing my English language. And subtitle is there. Subtitle is very necessary for and shadowing practice. I also adapt to shadowing practice a bit in my learning journey. And why the shadowing
Does it work?
practice? Hmm.
Does it work?
What?
Shadowing. How many hours do you do shadowing practice?
Shadowing practice, it means that if in my mobile I start like a one video, one like a, just say for example cartoon video or any song, just they lyric is there starting and on your screen, lyric is you can see. So I just focusing on the lyrics, and whenever sang that song, I on that language, I just copied him. I just copied the language of that lyrics of the song. That is the called shadowing practice. Because our pronunciation is also affected. Pronunciation, most especially pronunciation. Shadowing, by the shadowing practice, our pronunciation will be improved. Definitely improved. Shadowing practice,
Okay.
there is a one benefit of shadowing practice. Pronunciation will
Okay.
be
Actually, I'm also recently I am doing shadowing practice, but I want to know does it work or not? That is my question.
okay,
It
okay.
really improved your pronunciation, right?
Right, right. Because shadowing practice improves our pronunciation a lot. And whenever if I talk about like skills, just say for example, reading, writing, speaking, this kind of four skills, it also helps us a lot. But on the social media, if we talk about like reading portion, so nobody likes to read books nowadays. Everybody likes to
Yes.
scrolling the mobile only,
Yes.
scrolling the
Yes.
mobile, because we get everything on our mobile. AI
Yes.
applications are there, so many AI application like Sparky,
Social media.
Nova. Are you are you following any AI
No.
application?
No. No. Are you are you following?
Actually, last 1 year actually. 1 year, last year, I started to follow one AI, Sparky application. On that application, it is beneficial for me, as whenever I get time. got time, I started to discuss any kind of topic, any particular
Okay,
topic with AI Sparky, and immediately he rectified my mistakes and give me suitable feedback for my performance. So
okay,
this was good at that time.
okay, okay. Now, are you using that platform?
No,
AI?
no, no. I am not able. Actually, presently, I am not using any kind of AI application because I know I am good
You have learned.
enough
Okay.
in this
Yes, you
over
have
this
learned.
language, and by communications to each other, we can enhance. We are enhancing our language,
Yes,
and gradually it works proper. If you are consistent, you are practicing regularly, so you get full focus on this language, because in the month of February I cracked four interviews in the teaching field, because only due to this language communication skill. Because at 4 years ago, if I go to back on my journey, my communication was so poor. I fumbled every time. I fumbled, so I got nervous because I thought that what should I do for communication skills. So I searched so many YouTubers videos. I always motivated from them. So finally in 2025 I started my channel, only for the purpose of communication skill, not for the earning, like, because I am already I get into my job. So this is the only reason for opening my YouTube channel, for enhancing myself, for exploring my language, or over this language I want to be
okay.
perfect.
Okay. Are you started earning from YouTube?
Yes, yes. No, no, I am not earning and nothing because I have only 76 subscribers. So there is only starting.
Okay, okay, okay.
Only starting.
Definitely you will get lot of
Yeah,
subscribers. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Consistency, yeah, I maintain my consistency every day, because only yesterday I didn't get upload my video. Beside that, I am uploading daily. I upload my video on my channel. So, and
For,
I
for last six.
went in 2020. I started my channel, but I was not able to consistent. So it like totally closed my channel, and after 2020 I started now. I started like 2025, so you can understand after 5 or 6
Yeah.
years you get into again, and this is a bit difficult. For reaching the algorithm of the YouTube is too difficult. So
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Eh, Consistency in on all aspects is very important.
Yes.
We have to follow everything perfectly. If but if you started 2020, right? YouTube channel
2025, yeah. Again, I
25. It's
started
recent.
2000, and at that time in 2020 I started, but I closed. But my channel, yeah, closed for the some reasons, so I couldn't consistent at that time. But after 5 years, again I started 2025.
Okay, but you have learned a lot. You have enhanced your communication skill.
Yes, yes, yes. And
Uh,
so many circumstances are there. We were facing. This is the life. Life cycle is going on, and ups and downs is going on. It matters a
yes, yes.
lot. So, somewhere I feel that I have to start my own channel for the purpose of enhancing my skill, and communication skill is very necessary, I would say, because I feel I this is my personal experience. When I went for the interview, for any kind of interview, there is only the language regarding problem I faced. Language
Yes, yes,
regarding
yes.
problem, because how to expose yourself, how to introduce yourself in front of the others if you are professional. So it is very necessary to communicate in a point to point and person to person. It is too difficult. But on this platform, then I started my journey. I'm very happy and satisfied, and I selected in KVS right now. Yes, and
KVS means is
KBS
that
is need
the
Kendriya Vidyalaya schools.
okay, 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 okay,
And
okay.
it is
Good,
too
good, good.
difficult for me. And I
Yes,
reached
yes, yes.
there for the interview, and three or four branches are there in my MP. Four branches are there of KB's schools institution. So in KB's, like central government related schools, and we got I faced four interviews in the month of February
Four rounds.
regularly. Yeah.
4 rounds. Okay, okay.
Yeah. So I cracked three interviews right now, and but I have to join in the month of April. In the month of April, I join.
Okay, okay.
I will join.
Anyway, you got joining is not an important 1 or 2 months is not that much issue, but you have already cracked. That is important.
This is the good
Good luck, good
opportunity
luck.
for me as well,
Yes, good luck,
because
good luck, good luck.
I am feeling that if you are consistent in your journey, and your goal is your goal is set, your mindset is okay, so you can do everything. You can do everything. I am a
Correct.
self motivated, actually self motivated person. Because
Yes, actually, self
yeah,
motivation is very much important
yeah,
because
because I always
other
yeah,
people won't motivate us.
I always
Self
learned
motivation is
from
very
my
much.
failures, because failures actually learn a lot. I was facing a
Failures
lot
teach
of
us a lot.
failures in my life, because like a job field, like in study field, also education field is also, I was facing a lot of failures in my life. So that's why I am a part of my failures, and I have learned a lot from my failures. So this is the reason. Only,
You have learned a lot from your failures.
yeah. So thank you so much. This is the only for 40 minutes, this Zoom meeting app. So I
Okay,
hope
okay, okay.
you enjoy this session. And
Yes, sure, sure. I
yeah,
enjoyed it.
informative session is also, uh, I would say. So this
Yes.
is the call it a day. And thank you so much for being here. And bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.